Hello everybody, here we are with question number 5 on the 2003 Grade 8 Gauss. In the diagram, triangle ABC is isosceles, with AB equal to AC, just as they've shown. The little tick along those lines means that those two lengths should be the same. Okay? If angle ABC is equal to 50 degrees, and angle DAC is 60 degrees, the value of x, this angle right here, is... Okay. Good question. Let's see what we can see. Well, one of the things I know about isosceles triangles is they have two side lengths that are the same, and the third one isn't. If they were all the same, we'd call it an equilateral triangle. So we say isosceles, that means we got two lengths the same, in this case AB and AC. But one of the things I know, in particular about the angles in isosceles triangles, and we think angles because we're talking about angles in the question. We were told 50 degrees, 60 degrees, x degrees is what we're trying to solve for. So we start thinking isosceles triangles at angles. And there's one really nice result that I know, is that the angles opposite those equal side lengths are also equal angles. So 50, that angle at B in the question, is opposite one of the equal sides, AC. So the other angle down here at C, opposite the other equal side length, should also be 50 degrees. So we can start filling out some of the angles here. And if we know what B and C are, the angle up here at A, in total, not just this 60 degrees here, it should be 180 minus those two other angles, those two 50s. Because remember, the sum of the angles inside a triangle is always 180 degrees, no matter what triangle it is. So if we redraw our picture, we can start trying to work some things out. 60 degrees up here, B, C, we've given this as 50 degrees, X is what we want, and we got 50 degrees here. Okay, that's the one that I've just told us. It's opposite one of the equal side lengths, so if you're opposite the equal side lengths, these are going to be equal angles. Okay, so if we wanted to, we could figure out the angle at A, for example. And then from there, we could subtract the 60 and get this angle. We could get a whole bunch of the angles. But all we need is x degrees. And we notice that A, D, and C forms a triangle. What did we say about the sum of the angles inside a triangle? They have to add up to 180 degrees. Well, one of the angles is 60. Another one we just said is 50. So 60 plus 50 plus x, these are the angles inside ABC. That should be 180. 50 plus 60, that's 110, so plus x. And if you want to rearrange, you can say x is 180 minus 110, and that's 70 degrees. Okay, so 70 degrees, that's our guess for A. Is that one of our possible answers? Sorry, not for x. Not for A, it's for x. But the answer is A, 70 degrees. Okay. That's a nice answer right there. And that does question 5, was it? Yeah, question number 5 on the 2003 Grade 8 Gauss. So in the next video, we're going to take a look at question number 6 on the Grade 8 Gauss contest. Hopefully you'll join me for that video, and I'll see you guys then.